Hello friends. The question which every RC owner or uh, bike lover has of this wrist pain when they put their wrist over here and the sitting posture of this bike on this bike. So they have this problem or the question that will my wrist pain, will I be able to do long rides, or about the heat problem, will the heat is too much or is just normal. So today I'm making a video dedicated to this heating issue and the pain in the wrist or on the back which a RC rider have. So guys, watch this full video if you want to buy this RC and if you want to know about the wrist pain and the sitting posture. One more problem which I want to add is the vibration. Many of them have asked, does this vibrates or this visor or the windshield vibrates, this RMB vibrates. So today I'm going to answer all these three questions in a detailed way, or in a detailed, you can say, a review. So keep watching. The very first question is about the sitting posture. Guys, you can see that the sitting position on RC is pretty much aggressive. You can see you have to be like this on this bike. So guys, when you will sit on this, you will face a little bit pain in your back and on your wrist. When you will hold these handlebars, your wrist might pain because they are down and all the load is over here on your wrists. So you might feel a pain, little bit of pain over here, but that not be a severe pain. You can bear with it. And guys, once you have been with the bike for about 1 month or so, you will not feel that pain because you will be habitual to this sitting posture. So guys, don't worry, you will get habitual, and I will be very fair, you will face problem in the beginning. You will think, if you have ridden a Bullet or any Duke bike of the KTM only, then you will definitely face discomfort on this bike. The seat is also not comfortable. I have put in some foam gel and seat cover so that it is more spongy now. So guys, you will feel the pain, but you will get habitual to it and you will love the bike because of its performance. Guys, let's come to the vibrations. The vibration on this bike is pretty much high, so you will feel vibration. These things doesn't vibrate, or you will not notice that they are vibrating. This thing down, this, let me show you. This part vibrates. So guys, you will feel a little bit of vertical vibration in the underbelly. And guys, this, let me show you. This battery back door, this vibrates. This is the most vibrating part in this bike. I have noticed this vibrates too much on certain RPM, or every time it vibrates, but if you have crossed the 5000 RPM, it will not vibrate. And guys, the third thing is these RMVs. See, they are shaky. They are too much shaky, so they vibrate. I don't know if this glass vibrates or this outer lining vibrates, but these vibrates a lot. Again, on certain RPM, not too much. And guys, this doesn't vibrate. They look that they are vibrating, but they don't vibrate at all. And guys, the bike is good, it's made of good build quality, so this clutch and the brake lever will not vibrate at all. And that's it. I think no other parts vibrate. And guys, one more thing, let me show you. What do you call it, this mud guard or mud cover, this vibrates when you pass a pothole or any speed breaker. This, like this, you will hear this sound, this vibrates, and this might vibrate, but I have not noticed that this part vibrates or not. Guys, this will definitely vibrate, or not vibration, they will shake. So that's all about vibration. The third problem, heating issue. Guys, this bike vibrations. This bike heats a lot, means more than average. I think it's more, means you will feel the heat more than bullet on your thighs and on your feet. You will feel the heat, but because of the liquid cooled, it removes the heat from the front side. The radiator pulls the heat, but you will definitely going to face the heat problem in the winter also. It heats up too much, and in the summer, you know what will be there. And the RC heats less, but the Duke, if you own a Duke, then you might be knowing what I'm talking about. So guys, this machine heats a lot, and let me show you one thing. I have put a suspension cover over here, and the suspension cover is literally burnt because of this cat converter. So this also heats, this pipeline, whole bike heats too much. So if you have problem with the heat, then don't go for the bike, but I think it's okay because of the high compression ratio and the performance it delivers. Once you have ridden the bike, you will love the bikes and you will not complain about the heat issue. So guys, I have covered all the 3 problems which I have been asked many times. The vibration, this bike vibrates, but I think you can bear with it because this is single cylinder and has lots of fairing. Heating issue, the performance it delivers, the acceleration, the power it has. Heating issue is no a complaint to talk about. The sitting posture, guys, before buying this bike, you might be knowing that you are buying a sports bike, so the sitting posture will be aggressive. So don't think that you will not feel the pain, but believe me guys, trust me and go for the bike. This bike, you will become habitual with the bike and you will not face any heating issue problem or any vibration. You will feel, but you will not complain because you will become celebrity after buying this bike, and you will definitely, trust me guys, the pain and the heating and all will be gone once you ride the bike. Once you will feel the real power of the bike, this bike will give you love too much and you will not complain about any of these problems. But in the beginning you will face these problems, and after that you will become habitual and there will be no problem. So guys, my recommendation is go for the bike. This is the best bike, and I can guarantee you in the next coming year no bike is there to beat this bike. So go for the bike and buy it today only. Thank you, thanks for watching guys. And guys, I would like to request you something. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get these video like this, and like my videos, share with your family and friends, because guys, it really helps me grow, and keep supporting guys. Thank you.